Dave, come on, take it easy, Dave. Take it easy. Oh, man. I think you're good for not doing anything, man. No, Dave, slow down. Seriously. Long way. We got another mile. At least another mile to go, man. Dave! Seriously, Dave! Come on! The branch, Dave! The branch! Just take it easy. Don't worry about it. Oh, man. The bear's back there. Somebody down there. Jim! You gotta catch up to him, man. Alright, hold on. Dave, take it easy. Never mind. What the heck? Onward, man. Oh. Got the light, man. Got the light. Sure, there's some bears down in there. Ah! Oh, man, it's pretty creepy down there, man. That's the swamp area. Goes into the main lake. Hold on. Give me the camera, Dave. Give me the camera now. It's all downhill now, Jim. Then we got to go up some more. You all right, Jim? Jim! He's all right, he's all right. Check it out, check it out. So we just came down this big hill here. We got another mile to go, hold on.